Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrap Craftastic, and I'm going to be doing the weekly setup in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy 365 notebook. This is the notebook, and it is in a B6 notebook cover by Moterm. I will link to both in the description box below. And let's see, where are we? This will be for the week of the 27th through the 3rd. This is the previous week, which was a week on 4 pages, the week of Thanksgiving. I really like that. I've already prepped the pages. I'm going to just do the week on 2 pages this week. Not a lot going on, so I don't need any extra space. This is the washi tape that I pulled. It is all Michael's washi tape, I believe, except for this. This was sent to me in Happy Mail. And I probably won't use all of that. I just pulled it because I thought it all went really well with this kit. This is a throwback kit from Simply Me Kish. So I'm doing a throwback spread that is not really fall and it's not moving into Christmas. It's like a planner girl kit, I think, but I'm using it to transition from November to December. Not ready to jump into Christmas yet, and I think I've done enough fall. So this doll is from Let's Get Plan, and I'll be using dates from Dated Basics by CHELA. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to I love these stickers, and I've been hoarding them for a while, so it's time to use them. Let me go ahead and put down the washi tape. I think this is the best choice for the washi, so I'm going to use this one. Then I think I want to border it with the polka dots, maybe, or maybe I'll put the polka dots at the bottom. Let's see. How does that look? Maybe not. Okay, let's keep it moving. I may use some Simply Gilded polka dot washi throughout the week. So I'm going to use the planner over here. So I also need to find the center here of this space, which is approximately here. Doesn't look like it. I'm going to make it here. Okay. I want to do this one. It's pretty. And then let's do a black. And then I don't think that actually really matches very well, but it's fine. I'm going to use this on Monday. And I guess I'll use this one. And it's either this one or this one. Let's use the desk. Let's see, it's going to be the best way to try to lay this one down on the hump. These stickers are also losing their stick, I think. They're pretty old. So if you got old stickers in your stash, use them. They're kind of like washi tape. I just think adhesive is not made. Some adhesives are not made to last forever. So you don't want it to lose the stick before you can get it used. So use it now. And I'll be revisiting my old sticker books just to make sure that I use up my old stickers. So I'm going to try and use these numbers from CHELA. 27. Yeah, I think I have enough. So let's get these off of here. Okay, let's lay these down. Now let's use the days of the week from Calva Plan. Let's do Sunday. I'm going to do these running up the side. I'm missing Thursday. Or did I drop it? I dropped it. Okay. Now let's put down the doll. She's kind of large, but I'm going to use her here on the first. I do have something on Wednesday and Thursday. So I'm going to use this for Wednesday. And one of these, let's use the green for Thursday. Let's use this box on Monday. And let's do a couple of checklists, hearts. Should I use one of these? Yep, I like that. Let's use black. I think we are good. Let's put this here. I think that is good, even though that top washi doesn't match. Let's put some scripts down. The regular weekly tasks. We're back to trash on Thursday. See, do I still have a lot of the stickers I need up here? I know the days of the week are up here. Laundry day on Tuesday. Post office. And let's see what else we got here. Let's do the run errands. Plan next week. Let's see, it's going to be a grocery delivery. Let's try to remember to check the icons. So post office run, I'm going to use a little mail icon. Let's clean some of this up. I don't want to use the big trash can. I'm sure I have a little trash can somewhere. Let's use a little monitor. I'll put it up here in the top. Let's do a little ring light. I might just run them down the side. Do the printer. Use a little cup. I'll use this little trash can and recycle bin. And then I think I'm going to put the same sticker on Friday for the recycling, even though I never put down a sticker for that. I usually don't have to remember that because when the trash is rolled back up, the recycle bin is automatically rolled back out to the side of the road. So it's not as much to remember. Let's take some photos. Almost running out of space. Guess I'll put it up here. Okay, so that's it for those icons. I saw a little something that I want to use from COCO'S Vision. I really need to clean this up. There we go. A little car. Gotta take care of some car stuff on Wednesday. Let's use one of these shopping bags for Cyber Monday. Dentist appointment. Okay, so we use some old washi. So this is all about using the old things. This washi tape is from Michael's. The kit is from Simply Me Kish. I don't know if that's going to show up, but it's Simply Me Kish. And the dates and days of the week are from CHELA. And the doll is from Let's Get Planned. So that is it for this spread. Again, if you have old stickers, make sure you're using them because they do lose their stick just like washi tape does. Let me know what you think about this spread in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.